really psyched because I'm about to go to the Beehive with Allie to fix this. I've been waiting for a while. It needs to happen. So, yes, hopefully after today, I'll have a cute haircut. I've been rushing around because she's ready to go and I was still in bed. So I'm ready to go now. So let's go. You love it.
I went to Open Eye and I drank 2 red eyes.
2?
Then you'll put that stupid thing up and then
We're
I need a cigarette
haircut now, though.
smoking.
Let me show your hair. Come on, looks good.
Thanks. I don't know why you're so excited now because you told me not to cut my hair off. See, it doesn't look so much better.
It does. It does, actually.
See, I told you I
I mean,
looked funny with long hair.
no, it looked fine. Now it looks more fine.
I'm like Audrey Hepburn.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever. They're still funny. And look at yours.
Look at my hair.
Sweet. I told you, Meredith Gray's the most awesome.
It's Anna's birthday! Hooray!
Are you doing crazy stuff for your birthday?
I have to work in the morning. This is as crazy as I'm gonna get today, probably.
What?
Why are you always doing this? I don't understand.
Come on.
Paparazzi. I'm supposed to be like Posh Spice.
Oh, it's not. Here we go. Huh?
I'm here a little twins. That's enough.
Never enough.